Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Hello, curious minds. Today, we're going to delve into the captivating topic, the structure of Earth. Structure of the Earth. Earth looks like a big solid ball made up of rock-like materials. Actually, the Earth is composed of different layers, which are made up of different materials. For example, if we cut a peach into two halves, we can relate its parts with the layers of the Earth as shown in the figure. There are three main layers of the Earth: crust, mantle, core. Crust. The outermost layer of the Earth, where we live, is called crust. It is mostly made up of rocks. This layer is thin. Its thickness ranges from 5 kilometers to 70 kilometers. In ocean floor, its thickness is about 5 kilometers. This layer contains oceans, deserts, rivers, fields, mountains, and dwelling areas. All life present on the Earth exists on crust. Mantle. The layer of Earth present below the crust is called mantle. Its thickness is about 3,900 kilometers. The mantle is made from both solid and melted, liquid, rock. Violence eruption. During volcanic eruption, this melted rock comes out in the form of lava. Core. The part of Earth at the center is called core. It is the hottest part, having temperature from 400 degrees C to 6,000 degrees Celsius. Core of the Earth is divided into two parts: outer core, inner core. The outer core is made up of thick black fluid. It is mostly composed of iron and nickel, which are in molten form. The inner core is at the center of the Earth. It is in solid form due to high pressure on it. The inner core is the hottest layer of the Earth. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. Stay curious, and we will join you in the next video.